Hello everyone, this is Mayank and welcome to my channel. So today we'll discuss about one interesting company called Antony Waste Handling Cell Limited. So this particular company is entirely into waste management and its services. So we'll discuss about the company, we'll see the fundamentals, and then we'll see the technical analysis for this company, and we'll see what kind of opportunity we have in this particular stock. Before we get into all the details, first disclaimer is that this is not a recommendation to buy this stock. This is my personal research and personal way of investing. If you are interested in this, please only refer my video as an educational purpose and then do your own research before investing. Other things are that if you are one who has not subscribed to my channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get updated whenever I publish any new video. And other things that if you like our content, don't forget to share it with your friends and social network so that I can give my knowledge to more and more people and understand, make them understand what's happening in the market. And for small updates, like for everything the video is not possible. For those kind of updates for 10%, 5% or 20% return, for those things I share the charts and screenshots and some stock names in my Telegram channel, link for which is always present in all the videos in the description. So if you are interested in getting those kind of updates, please feel free to join the Telegram channel. It's free of cost and I publish updates based on whenever I see an opportunity. So it's not a spam thing where I will publish every day multiple times. So if you're interested, you can join the channel. So we'll start the analysis first. So if you see what the company Antony Waste is into waste management, if you click on the services, what services this company does. So this company is into waste collection and transportation, mechanized and non-mechanized sweeping, waste processing and treatment, and then waste to energy conversion. So this company works with the municipals of these two regions. One is Maharashtra and one is NCR, and they do only in the concentrated areas so that their profitability increases and don't need to scatter their operations. So it's just to minimize the operations or make it more efficient. They do only into concentrated areas. Now, so these are the four domains what they work. If you go to Screener, they have mentioned few points. So this company is one of the largest single location for waste management in India, waste handling in India. Their consumer site is handles 5,000 ton per day, which they're also increasing by making more investment in this particular area. And then they have set up a new WT project, so waste to energy project, for which they're investing more than 170 crores, and they are doing with the help of debt, where they will convert all the waste what they have collected into energy of around 14 megawatt of power, which they will sell, and eventually they will also add profitability to their profitability. Basically, it's a revenue source for them. You see their vehicle fleets. So right now they have a vehicle fleet of 1150 vehicles, out of which 970 are fitted with GPS tracking devices. 690 of the total vehicles are small tippers, and 280 are compactors, and 85 are big tippers. So this company also has a asset heavy company. It's not a asset light model. So they have a lot of vehicles, they have a lot of manpower, all trained manpower, which they use to manage all the waste. And if you see about this particular company and what they do, this is a service which is widely required and what needed in India right now. Also, the government is supporting a lot our Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, if you say, or if you say all the municipal efforts. Even people also want the surroundings clean. And because of this COVID pandemic, also people have become more serious regarding hygiene and health related concerns, and which is also going to impact this kind of services. So people will demand this kind of services, and government also want to provide this kind of services. And since Antony Waste is one of the top 5 companies in this India and the entire country to provide these services, and India is also planning to create a lot of smart cities, clean cities. So all these efforts from government side, from municipal side, from even from public side, even we as a people also want these services, want environment clean. So whenever all these things are required and everybody are in the same direction with the same thought that we want this, so these companies which have a monopoly, which have a lot of asset with them, which have more than 20 year experience of doing this, they will be the prime beneficiary for this kind of efforts. And when these companies are getting those tenders or those kind of businesses, they will increase their sales, and which will increase the profitability. And as an investor, these things become very interesting or attractive for us, because this comes getting business and eventually the stock will increase, and we are as investors will make money out of it. So this is the reason this company we are discussing today, keeping the business and the sector and the future where this country is moving towards. This is about the business fundamentals. If you see, it's a small cap company, 910 crore of worth market cap. ROC is 22.4, it's good. ROE is 16.1. Don't forget that it's kind of monopoly. It's not, they don't have many big competitors in India. Debt is 115 crore only. And I told you they are taking more debt, and we know the purpose of the debt. They are trying to create a waste to energy setup from where they also generate revenue. So we should not worry about much about the debt. And the debt to equity ratio is very less, 0.33 only, so one third of the total market cap, total money what they have raised. And net profit is 45 crores. So that's a good overall fundamental is quite, I'll not say the best fundamental, but it's good. And also, since this company has told you many times it's a monopoly kind of stuff, so we can always accept this is a very good fundamentals, keeping that in mind. If you see their quarterly results, so every quarter they have given good growth. If you see March 2021, 18 crores. June it's dipped down obviously because of lockdown. They could not move their trucks and all those things. It impacted also. Sales is 92 crores. Then September it increased, December it increased, March 2021 also it increased. Now my point is that, see, people are not moving out. It's lockdown. So waste generated on the street is also less, since people are not going out. They are not eating out. They are not events are not getting organized. Even after that, this company is generating a revenue. So that means they have already have businesses with the municipals where there is enough waste to generate to handle even if people are not going out. So imagine what will happen when people start moving out and going out and creating all those dirts everywhere. This company will get more businesses, and which will increase their sales and eventually the profit. So this is one point which I wanted to mention. If you see profit and loss for last few years, so every year they have generated more revenue: 220, 244, 276, 284, 451, 465. Every year they have done more sales. Profitability also, if you see net profit 17, 28, 29 they increased, 27 March they decreased, but again 42 they jumped back, and last this year is 45. So every time they are generating more revenue, and they are in a sector which is going to grow very big in the future. So fundamentals company looking very good. If you see balance sheet also, they have a borrowings of 115 crore, which I told you, but this is a good borrowing because we know the reason behind it. This borrowing will add more to the revenue, so it's a good debt. Okay, and then if you see the interesting part, the most interesting part I'll tell you is the promoter holding. So the entire shareholding pattern: 46% is promoter, this is fine. 19.6% is public, this is also fine. The most interesting part is their investors in the FIIs. So it's Guildford is there, Cambridge is there, fine. 238 plan is there. The most interesting is Massachusetts Institute of Technology. I never know that this company, this college or university is also an investor, and they have invested in all the good companies. If you see ABB, Antony Waste, Balrampur Chini, Chambal Fertilizers, Equitas Holding, these all are very good companies. And when a FII who has invested in all the good companies and they select a company to invest, that means they have done their own due research and due diligence before investing. And when such FIIs show interest in a company, we must be rest assured that this company is doing good. And the FIIs, MIT being one of the FIIs, is a very good strong point for this company. It gives a lot of confidence to me personally that this is a good company to invest, and also for the long term, and also for a good opportunity based swing trading also. So this is how the fundamentals looks like. If we go to charts, so this is the chart of Antony Waste Handling. This only got IPO'd on this year itself, in the month of end of this last year, probably 1st January is the listing. So it's a new company in terms of stock market listing. If you see the opportunity here, so there are two targets. First target, if you see, this is a kind of cup with handle pattern. So as I told, discussed many times, this is how the right shoulder, sorry, not cup with handle pattern, it's inverse head and shoulder pattern. So this is the head of the chart, and this is the left shoulder, so right shoulder. So this is how it makes. The depth of the size of the head, it becomes the first target. This is the size of the head, and if you put this on top, then I'll just put it here. So this is how it looks from the top of the chart pattern. But our target we'll see from here, this point. So this point, if you see the target where the current price is, so if you see current price, if you go to here, so the target is around 33.34% target we have immediately in this particular company based on chart pattern. But since this company is good and the work what they do is good, and there is a lot of demand in this company, they will definitely reach their peak, and that is the one more second target for this particular company. So if you see the second target for this company, then probably we'll have to drag a line from here to the top. So if you see from here, so this we have opportunity of close to 47-48% in this particular company. So there are two targets. First target is 34%, second target is 47.38 or 48% around we have in this particular stock. So this is a from swing trading perspective. Long term perspective also, like I'm talking really long term, 5 years, 10 years perspective. Also, this company is doing good. We can also invest in this company and keep the holdings with us for really long time. So this was my analysis on this particular company, and the more on the company and also more on the sector as well, the business as well. So if you like this content, if you like whatever I've shared, please don't forget to like the video, give your feedback in the comments, and also share it with your friends so that more and more people get connected, more and more people get to watch this and get the opportunity we have present in this particular company. See you later in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay safe.